Now, the last thing we need amid a COVID crisis is mass religious gatherings. The Kerala government is under fire for easing restrictions for 3 days to allow Bakrid celebrations. This at a time when Kerala is the worst affected state in the country. While the Kavadi Yatra has been called off in Uttar Pradesh, why are relaxations for Bakrid being allowed in Kerala?
Over 10,000 COVID cases every single day in Kerala. The positivity rate over 10%, the highest in the country. But the Pinarayi Vijayan government has put faith over the COVID fight. For 3 days, as cases are surging in God's own country, markets have been opened up to allow Bakrid shoppers to shop for the festival.
The Supreme Court has actually refused to put a stay or restrict the orders by the state governments to ease the restrictions in the wake of Bakrid. The government has eased the regulations for about 3 days, that is Sunday, Monday and Tuesday tomorrow. However, the state IMA has said they had already demanded the state government to open up the shops for more time so that there will be very less crowd. However, they have also come to the opinion that it is not conducive at this moment for Kerala to have the state completely opened up for all kinds of services.
Experts' warnings have been ignored by the state government, and the Indian Medical Association has even warned the government, even threatening to sue over this callous order.
It's not at all time for total relaxation. Even if it is Bakrid or Ramzan, Christmas, Onam, Trishur Puram, Shabarimala, whatever, it is not the time for the total relaxation. We'll have to wait for some more time.
The Supreme Court, whose intervention rightly ensured the cancellation of the Kavadi Yatra in Uttar Pradesh, has felt no need to immediately act against the Kerala government's order. A notice has been issued to the Pinarayi government, but any action now will be belated. Markets are open, people are out and about in the state. The Apex Court rightly said a mass religious gathering cannot happen amidst a pandemic, while cautioning against the Kavadi Yatra. But in the case of Kerala, there's no order yet from the top court. The opposition is also now up in arms against the Pinarayi Vijayan government.
अब ये देश को सोचना है और ये सारे लोगों को सोचना है जो हम लोगों पर हिंदू नेता और हिंदू राजनीति का एक लाछन लगाते हैं, ये उनको सोचना है, या हम लोगों को नहीं सोचना है.
But it isn't just Bakrid celebrations that have been allowed. Restrictions at the Sabarimala shrine have also been eased now.
The government has made it mandatory for all devotees to carry a COVID-19 negative certificate over here. And it's not just that you should have a negative certificate, but you should also get it certified from the competent authority which is actually present here, because they need to verify the authenticity of that particular certificate.
With COVID cases rising in Kerala, serious questions are being asked about the government's priorities there. Is it appeasement or fighting the pandemic? With Gopi Krishnan Unnithan in Thiruvananthapuram, Bureau Report, India Today.
Moving on, monsoon rains have thoroughly